What up, y'all? This is Poor Man's Drinks. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a simple syrup, and I'm going to be infusing them with a couple of ingredients that are going to break the bank for you. So yeah, let's get started. All I'm going to do to make the simple syrup is I'm going to add 2 cups of sugar and 1 cup of water. You're just going to wait for that to come up to a boil while stirring occasionally. Okay, now since I got that going, all I'm going to do now is I'm going to teach you how to make the ginger syrup. So, you're going to add your ginger to the pot, right? And then I'm going to use a raw cane sugar for this. Two and a half cups of water. Just get that nice and well incorporated into the mix. If you don't have that sugar in the raw, or that unrefined cane sugar really, it's fine. Just use whatever you want. I'm just doing that to add a little bit more character. So for the ginger syrup, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to wait until it reduces by 1/3. So it's been about 10 minutes for me. My simple syrup right here on the right, your left, is going to be coming up to a boil right about now. As soon as it starts to boil, you're really going to want to take it off the heat. Okay everyone, this is another easy one. Blueberry simple syrup. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add these blueberries to this pot, let them cook down a little bit, then I'll add my 2-to-1 ratio worth of sugar and water. So 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of water, after I cook these down a little bit. Alright, so now I'm going to add my water, 1 cup of water. It should be just about enough water to cover the blueberry. Okay everyone, moving on. Now what we're going to do is the lavender syrup. So, what you're going to want to do first, you're going to want to take 3 tablespoons of your lavender and bring that with 1 cup of water to a boil. So, give it a quick stir to help incorporate it into the water. Okay, perfect. So our lavender is boiling. All we need to do now is turn the heat down to really low. And then all we're going to do is we're going to slowly add in our 2 cups of sugar. Whisk while you're doing it. So now what I'm going to do with my lavender, I'm just going to take it off the heat. And I'm going to let it steep for at least 1 hour to extract all that flavor from the lavender. You want all that essence. You can go longer, 1.5 hours, 2 hours. But see how it tastes at around 1 hour, and it's nice and cool. So that when it's nice and cool, you don't burn your mouth. Alright, just take your strainer, put it right over your vessel. Makes it nice and easy. Alright everyone, now I'm going to make my banana syrup. So you're going to need 3 ripe bananas, 1/3 cup of water, and 1 cup of sugar. Okay guys, don't forget to add a pinch of sugar. Don't be like me. Alright, again, same thing guys. Just want to get it to a boil and let it simmer, okay? What we're going to do next is a honey syrup. So, you're going to take your honey, it's going to be a 3-to-1 ratio. So you're going to add 1 cup of honey. Okay, now you're just going to add 1/3 of a cup of warm water. Just stir it in with whatever you got. Right here I'm using a bar spoon. You can use any type of spoon. I mean, it really doesn't matter. Alright, so now it's all nice and combined. You're going to want to look for consistency like that, you know? Something nice and loose. Not something too syrupy. And not something too loose. Alright, that's great. Now, just transfer it to a new container. Call it a day. Alright y'all, I just got a nice little ketchup bottle. It's really easy to use those. So I'm going to transfer this into here. That's it. Damn, I'll tell y'all, this banana syrup, it smells delicious. I can't wait to make a banana hammock with this one. Okay everyone, so I've taken the bananas and this syrup off the heat, I strained them into this little container, and you're just going to want to let them cool. So just set that off to the side. You know what, I just want to say thank you guys very much, whoever's watched this far. It is my first video, so I can only go up from here. I know it's kind of painful. I get to edit my first video after this, so yeah, you know, this is just something I'm really excited to do. The main thing is I want you guys to experience having nice drinks at home, you know, restaurant quality stuff, but at the same time, I want you to understand that you can make a lot of that stuff at home, and it doesn't have to be expensive. Thank you for bearing with me through this process, because it is a very steep learning curve. I started filming yesterday, and it took me probably 50 shots just to get my intro. So, you know, again, yeah, thank y'all. I hope that you like what you see.